If you want to make money online with AI, the biggest trap is thinking the tool itself is the business. It is not. The money usually comes from using a tool to solve a problem faster, package a service better, or create something people already want. So in this video, I am going to walk you through 5 AI tools that are actually useful for making money online in 2026, explain what each one is best at, and show you the kind of offer or content angle that can help a beginner turn that tool into income. Before we get into the list, here is the mindset I want you to keep through the whole video. AI does not replace the offer. It improves the workflow. That means the winning question is not what tool should I play with all day. The winning question is what result can I deliver faster, cheaper, or more consistently because of this tool. If you remember that, you stay practical. You stop collecting apps and start thinking like somebody who can sell content packages, lead generation help, research support, design assets, or systems that save people time. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT. This is still one of the best beginner tools because it helps you turn messy ideas into usable output fast. You can use it to write first drafts of blog posts, sales emails, lead magnets, captions, ad ideas, outreach messages, product descriptions, and video scripts. You can also use it to organize research and sharpen offers. That matters because beginners often lose time staring at a blank page. ChatGPT helps you get to version 1 quickly, but the real money move is not selling raw AI text. The real money move is using it to deliver something more finished and more useful than the client could create alone. The easiest way to make money with ChatGPT is by pairing it with a service offer. For example, you can create monthly caption packages for local businesses, draft welcome email sequences for coaches, write simple lead magnets for consultants, or turn long podcast transcripts into newsletters and social posts. Notice what all of those have in common. You are not charging for prompts. You are charging for the finished asset and the saved time. If you want a fast start, pick one niche, build 2 sample pieces, and offer a small package instead of a giant custom service. Small, clear, repeatable offers are easier to sell. Tool number 2 is Canva AI. This one is powerful because it is not just for pretty graphics. It lets beginners create social content, thumbnails, carousels, lead magnets, templates, presentations, short videos, and simple brand assets much faster than doing everything manually. Canva has pulled a lot of AI features into one place, which makes it easier for non-designers to work quickly. If you are trying to make money online, that matters because speed and consistency often beat perfect design. A lot of clients do not need award-winning visuals. They need clean visuals delivered on time every week. There are 2 easy money paths with Canva AI. The first is service work. You can offer Instagram post packs, carousel designs, thumbnail support, pitch deck cleanup, menu design, or lead magnet layouts for small businesses and creators. The second is digital products. You can build editable templates for real estate agents, coaches, beauty businesses, restaurants, church events, or job seekers and sell them online. The smartest beginner move is to choose one customer type and build around their daily content needs. That keeps your offer simple and makes your portfolio look more focused. Tool number 3 is 11 Labs. This is one of the most useful tools if you want to make money through faceless content or audio-based services. It can create lifelike speech, and that opens up a lot of opportunities. You can narrate YouTube videos, make ad voiceovers, turn blog posts into audio, create training materials, or help businesses dub short content for different audiences. The reason this matters is simple. A lot of people want content, but they either do not like recording their own voice, do not have time, or need something cleaner and more consistent. The easiest monetization path with 11 Labs is not selling access to the tool. It is selling the finished voiceover. That could mean YouTube narration for faceless channels, ad voiceovers for e-commerce brands, short-form hooks for creators, training audio for course builders, or even simple podcast intros and outros. And if you already know basic editing, this gets even stronger because you can combine script plus voiceover plus video assembly into one offer. That is where the tool starts multiplying your value. Instead of being a person with software, you become a person who can deliver a finished content asset. Tool number 4 is Perplexity. This tool is especially valuable if you want to make money from research-heavy work. Think blog writing, newsletter support, YouTube scripting, market research, competitor reviews, or fact-checking content before it goes live. What makes Perplexity useful is that it helps you get up-to-date answers and source paths faster than a normal search spiral. That can save a lot of time when you are creating content or preparing information for somebody else. Time saved matters, because speed is one of the easiest ways for a freelancer to become more profitable without raising stress. Perplexity becomes a money tool when you package research into something decision-ready. For example, you can create competitor snapshot reports for small businesses, research packets for YouTube creators, article briefs for bloggers, sourcing help for newsletters, or quick industry roundups for consultants. A lot of founders and creators do not need more information. They need cleaner information delivered faster. If you can use Perplexity to gather the starting material, then organize it into a short, readable output, that becomes a real service. You are helping people think faster and create faster. Tool number 5 is Notion AI. A lot of people overlook this one because it feels less flashy, but it can be one of the most useful money tools on the list. Notion AI helps people organize knowledge, summarize meetings, search across information, build internal documents, and create workflows faster. That matters because businesses are full of messy information. Tasks live in one place, notes live somewhere else, and nobody wants to clean it up. If you can take a messy process and turn it into a simple operating system, that is valuable work, and AI helps you do it faster. The easiest money angle with Notion AI is system setup. You can build content calendars for creators, client onboarding dashboards for freelancers, meeting summary workflows for small teams, or simple internal hubs for standard operating procedures. Businesses often waste money because information is scattered. If you can make things easier to find, easier to repeat, and easier to hand off, that becomes an offer. This kind of work is especially good for people who are organized and patient. You do not have to be the loudest marketer in the room. You just need to make somebody's business easier to run. If you are starting from zero, I do not recommend trying to learn every tool on this list at once. The better move is picking a simple combo. ChatGPT plus Canva is great for content packages. Perplexity plus ChatGPT is strong for research and writing services. 11 Labs plus basic editing is perfect for faceless content offers. And Notion AI works well if you like systems and operations. Most beginners do better when they learn one workflow deeply instead of collecting 5 half-finished skills. One clear workflow is what turns AI from entertainment into income. If I were starting this week, here is exactly what I would do. On day 1, I would choose one tool combo and one type of customer. On day 2, I would make 2 sample assets. On day 3, I would write a simple 1-sentence offer. Then for the rest of the week, I would send outreach every day to people who clearly need help. Not vague networking. Clear messages with a specific result. For example, I help coaches turn long videos into short clips with script, voiceover, and caption support. That is much easier to understand than saying I use AI and can help with anything. Here are the mistakes I would avoid. Do not sell random prompts with no real use case. Do not build your whole pitch around the fact that you use AI. Clients care about the result, not your software stack. Do not switch tools every 3 days because a new app went viral. And do not make content claiming easy money if you have never delivered anything. The people who win with AI are usually the people who stay practical. They use tools to speed up real work, improve consistency, and create clearer outputs for real people. So those are 5 AI tools that can actually help you make money online in 2026. If you want my honest advice, pick one workflow from this video, make one sample today, and send one real offer before the day ends. That is how you turn all of this from content into momentum. And if you want the next video, comment which tool you want broken down step by step, because I can turn any one of these into a full beginner game plan.